Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Android app is not running in background. So for this guys, if you are facing this type of problem, so you can try this easy and very simple method. So first you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, open apps and notification. In some phone you can get only apps, in some phone you can get application manager option. Just open it and from here go to all apps, and in the all apps section you need to find out the app which the app is not running in the background. For example, I will open this app SBI card. After opening, go to advanced and go to battery, and here you can get the option battery optimization, and if the battery optimization is enabled for this app, you need to disable it. Open the battery optimization, and from here you need to select all apps and find out your app from the list like this, and here you need to set it to don't optimize and then click on done. That's it. Okay, now go back, and here you can get the option background restriction. If the background restriction is enabled, just you need to disable it from here. Okay, after doing this guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem 100%. So this is the only easy and simple solution to your apps is not running on the background. Okay, so that's it for today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.